How ethical hackers are safeguarding IoT networks. The Internet of Things, IoT, is transforming industries, households, and urban environments. It connects billions of devices to the Internet. IoT devices aim to make life easier and more efficient. Ethical hackers are vital in finding and fixing these flaws. They protect IoT networks from malicious actors. Understanding the threat landscape of IoT networks. The increasing adoption of IoT has exposed a wide range of security challenges. Most IoT devices lack robust security protocols, making them easy targets for hackers. Common vulnerabilities include weak passwords, outdated software, and the absence of encryption. Cybercriminals exploit these flaws to launch various attacks. These include DDoS attacks, data theft, and device hijacking. Ethical hackers assess the IoT threat by simulating attacks. They identify weak points and assist organizations in fixing them before potential exploitation. Ethical hacking techniques in IoT security. Ethical hackers use various techniques to protect IoT networks from cyber threats. These include vulnerability assessments, code analysis, penetration testing, and network monitoring. They want to find security flaws in the IoT device's software, hardware, and networks. Securing IoT firmware and regular patch management. IoT devices run on firmware. It is the software that controls their operations. Often, manufacturers rank functionality over security, leading to vulnerabilities in the firmware. Collaborating with IoT manufacturers and security experts. Ethical hackers often work with IoT manufacturers. They help design secure IoT devices. This includes implementing secure boot processes, device authentication, and hardware-based security features. Ethical hackers embed security in manufacturing. Conclusion. In conclusion, as the IoT ecosystem expands, so do the security risks of interconnected devices. Ethical hackers are vital to IoT network security. They find weaknesses, improve security, and protect data. Their work is vital to IoT systems. These systems are key to industries, from healthcare to smart cities. Ethical hackers work with manufacturers, developers, and security experts. They aim to create a safer IoT environment for the future.